Tell me a story, O sweet mother of the ancestors, and their days of how they walked with beauty, learning the medicine ways. Storytelling is the basis of oral tradition that keeps universal, timeless wisdom alive. Storyteller is the clan mother that is teaching us to have faith, to be humble, and to stay young at heart by keeping our innocence intact. Her color is red. We will learn from this sixth cycle of truth how to speak from our hearts, always saying what you mean in a truthful, clear, and concise manner. She shows us the pathfinder we need to find our way through the illusory forest of our own confusions. Through these newfound perspectives, we are guided with laughter medicine, hey-okay, and the ancestors' wisdom that is coded in our DNA, in our blood, as we create our own rites of passage here on earth. Join us in the 13 Moon Sacred Circle once more, listening, speaking our truth through the timeless connection of the collective mind and spirit of the human race that contain the patterns of DNA in every human cell and our blood. We will experience the Kundalini technology that will awaken this collective mind consciousness in our psyche to release and clear any self-created demons that bind us to high drama and any need for constant upheaval. We will access the wisdom of the ancient ones to offer solutions for life's problems and challenges that we can then share with our future generations. Storyteller Moon, 13 Moons Women's Circle, Friday, June the 13th from 6 to 8:30 p.m. I will be serving us a light dinner. This is a BOGO offer. It's in person and on Zoom. I do hope that you can join us. Satnam.